Hi guys, I'm Nastya. In this video I'll show you how to make a handmade flower. The list of all the materials you'll find in description below. Take 2 contrast ribbons, cut 7 squares from both ribbons. I took 4 cm wide ribbon, but you can take more wider ribbon. Melt the squares' edges, then fold them into triangles. Put one triangle inside the other like in video. Put a drop of glue in the center at the base of a triangle. Using your tweezers, fold 2 triangles into a tube. Connect the edges. Form 2 separate tops. Cut off all unnecessary and glue it under the flame. Make a flower from these 7 petals. Watch into the tops of the petals. They must lay on the same imaginary circle. The flower is done. Now we need to do a base for it. Take 3 different ribbons, cut it in pieces 5 by 5 cm in size. I made 4 pink pieces, 9 crimson and 7 cyan. Make sharp petals using copper. The power of my copper is from 30 in standby up to 70 when you press the button. Fold a piece across, divide the rectangle diagonally with an iron ruler, so that the edges are under the ruler, and draw a line with the copper. The rectangle is cut and the edges are glued. We get such petal. Then fold the edges, cut off all unnecessary and melt under the flame. Do the same with all other rectangles. Glue petals in random order on 4 cm felt base. Glue together all details. Now the most difficult part. We need to choose a middle for our flower. I've chosen a solid pink. Glue it using hot gun. That's what we get. Thank you for watching this video. On our channel you'll find more interesting videos. Subscribe the channel and see you next video. Bye bye.